friends, welcome to our YouTube channel Young Minds GK. Today's topic is General Knowledge Part 5. Let's begin with today's session. Question number 1. First fully literate district in India. Answer: Kottayam district. Kottayam district is in Kerala. It is the first fully literate district in India. Kerala is having highest literacy rate, that is 93%. Question number 2. Which river forms Anchuri? Answer: Narmada river. Narmada river is the west flowing river which forms Anchuri. In India, west flowing rivers are creates Anchuri and the east flowing rivers are creates deltas. For example, Ganga Brahmaputra delta. Question number 3. The largest riverine island is? Answer: Majuli Island. Majuli Island is the largest riverine island in the world. Majuli Island created by Brahmaputra river. It is in the state of Assam. Question number 4. The capital of Russia? Answer: Moscow. The capital of Russia is Moscow. Russia is the largest country in the world. Question number 5. The smallest gland in human body? Answer: Pituitary gland. Pituitary gland is the smallest gland in human body. Liver is the largest gland in human body. Question number 6. The only PM who never faced parliament? Answer: Charan Singh. Charan Singh is the only Prime Minister of India who never faced parliament. The birthday of Charan Singh is celebrated as Kisan Day. Question number 7. The SI unit of force is? Answer: Newton. Newton is the SI unit of force. Newton was a famous scientist from England who lived in the 17th century. He proposed the law of gravitation and the law of motion. Question number 8. The last stage of stellar cycle is? Answer: Black hole. Black hole is the last stage of stellar cycle. Nebula is the birthplace of stars. Question number 9. Quinine is extracted from which part of plant? Answer: bark. Quinine is used as a drug for malaria disease. It is extracted from bark. Question number 10. Expand IUPAC. Answer: International Union for Pure and Applied Chemistry. Question number 11. Which vitamin helps in blood clotting? Answer: vitamin K. Vitamin K helps in blood clotting. Vegetables are the rich source of vitamin K. Inside the body, blood never clots because of the presence of heparin. Question number 12. How many sex chromosomes are there in our body? Answer: 2. In our body, there are 23 pairs of chromosome. 22 pair are autosome and 1 determines the sex of a newborn baby. Question number 13. Name the bomb which dropped on Hiroshima. Answer: Little Boy. Little Boy is a uranium bomb which dropped on Hiroshima on 6th August 1945. Another bomb called Fat Man dropped on Nagasaki on 9th August 1945. Next question. Who introduced the postal system in India? Answer: Lord Dalhousie. Lord Dalhousie introduced the postal system in India. He was the British Governor General of India. He also laid down telegraph lines in India. Question number 15. Where the headquarters of UNESCO situated? Answer: at Paris. The headquarters of UNESCO situated at Paris, the capital of France. Question number 16. Which substance helps to grow hair? Answer: keratin. Keratin substance helps to grow hair. Question number 17. When new 2000 currency notes introduced? Answer: on 8th November 2016. On 8th November 2016, the new 2000 currency notes introduced. The old 500 and 1000 notes were demonetized on 8th November 2016. Next question. Expand NEP. Answer: National Education Policy. After the introduction of NEP, the HR Minister post changed to Education Minister post. Question number 19. The percentage of lead present in lead pencil. Answer: 0. The percentage of lead present in lead pencil is 0. The lead pencil consists of graphite. Question number 20. The only substance which is good conductor of electricity but not heat. Answer, graphite. Graphite is the only substance which is good conductor of electricity but not heat. On the other hand, mica is a substance which is good conductor of heat but not electricity. Question number 21. The scientific name of tiger. Answer, Panthera tigris. Panthera tigris is the scientific name of tiger. The scientific name consists of two, that is genus and species. Question number 22. Who is called as father of nuclear physics? Answer, Rutherford. Rutherford is called as father of nuclear physics. He invented nucleus and alpha rays. Question number 23. Who invented proton? Answer, Goldstein. Goldstein invented proton. Proton are positively charged and it is present inside the nucleus. Question number 24. In which treaty the First World War ended? Answer, Treaty of Versailles. After the Treaty of Versailles, the First World War ended. The First World War took place from 1914 to 1918. After the Treaty of Versailles, League of Nations established to maintain peace in the world. Question number 25. Which planet is known as blue planet? Answer, Neptune. Neptune is known as blue planet. Neptune is the 8th planet in our solar system and it is the farthest planet from Sun. Neptune discovered by Leverrier and it is named by John Herschel. Question number 26. The biggest satellite in our solar system. Answer, Ganymede. Ganymede is the biggest satellite in our solar system which was discovered by Galileo. It is the satellite of Jupiter. Question number 27. Which part deals with the fundamental duties in Indian Constitution? Answer, Part 4A. Part 4A deals with the fundamental duties in Indian Constitution. Article 51A deals with the fundamental duties. Question number 28. The only planet whose rotational period is more than revolution period. Answer, Venus. Rotation period means a period where planet rotates around its axis. On the other hand, revolution period means the planet revolutes around the sun. Question number 29. The tenure of election commissioner in India. Answer, 6 years or 65 years, whichever is earlier. The tenure of election commissioner in India is 6 years or 65 years, whichever is earlier. In India, at present, there are 3 election commissioners, one chief election commissioner and the other 2 election commissioners. Question number 30. The substance which is responsible for acid rain. Answer, sulfur dioxide, carbon dioxide and nitrogen dioxide. If the pH value of rain is less than 5.5, then it is called as acid rain. Question number 31. The pH value of blood is? Answer, 7.4. The pH value of blood is 7.4. Blood is slightly alkaline. If the pH value is 7, then it is considered as neutral. If the pH value is less than 7, then it is acid, and if it is more than 7, then it is base. Question number 32. Litmus paper is obtained from? Answer, lichens. Litmus paper obtained from lichens. Litmus paper determines whether a substance is base or acid. Question number 33. The reaction occurs in sun. Answer, nuclear fusion. Nuclear fusion is a reaction occurs in sun. Through nuclear fusion, the sun produces energy. In nuclear power plant, nuclear fission reaction happens. Question number 34. Tarapur power plant is in which state? Answer, Maharashtra. Tarapur power plant is the first thermal power plant in India which is present in Maharashtra. Question number 35. Mulla Periyar Dam is built across which river? Answer Periyar. Mulla Periyar Dam built across the river Periyar. Periyar is the longest river in Kerala. Question number 36. The highest peak of India which is situated in undisputed area. Answer Kanchenjunga. Kanchenjunga is the highest peak of India which is situated in undisputed area. Godwin Austen or Mount K2 is the highest peak which is situated in POK, that is Pak occupied Kashmir. Question number 37. So far, how many times national emergency declared in India? Answer 3 times. So far, 3 times national emergency declared in India. First national emergency declared in the year 1962 during Indo-China War, and second national emergency declared in the year 1970 during Indo-Pak War, and in the year 1975 Srimati Indira Gandhi declared internal emergency. Question number 38. The only Indian Prime Minister who born after independence? Answer Narendra Modi. Narendra Modi was the first Indian Prime Minister who born after Indian independence. Question number 39. World Consumer Day is celebrated on? Answer 15th March. World Consumer Day is celebrated on 15 March. John F. Kennedy started the celebration of Consumer Day to protect the interest of consumer. In India, Consumer Day is celebrated on 24th December. Question number 40. Which acid is present in lemon? Answer citric acid. Citric acid is present in lemon. Formic acid is present in ant. Question number 41. Name the branch of chemistry which deals with the extraction of metal from ore. Answer metallurgy. Metallurgy is the branch of chemistry which deals with the extraction of metal from ore. The ores include bauxite, hematite, magnetite, etc. Next question. The capital of Ashoka. Answer Pataliputra. Pataliputra or the present Patna is the capital of Ashoka. Ashoka was the famous Mauryan king. Question number 43. The parents of Gautama Buddha. Answer Shuddhodana and Trishala Devi. Shuddhodana and Trishala Devi were the parent of Gautama Buddha. The original name of Gautama Buddha was Siddhartha. After enlightenment, Siddhartha became Gautama Buddha. Next question. First Tirthankara of Jainism. Answer Rishabhanatha. Rishabhanatha was the first Tirthankara of Jainism. There were 24 Tirthankaras. The 24th Tirthankara was Vardhamana Mahavira and the 23rd Tirthankara was Parshvanatha. Question number 45. The TikTok app is owned by? Answer China. The TikTok app is owned by China. Recently in India, TikTok app was banned. Next question. Which color is having highest wavelength in rainbow? Answer red color. Red color is having highest wavelength in rainbow. On the other hand, violet color is having shortest wavelength. In rainbow, there are 7 colors. That is Bibjor. Question number 47. The author of Indica. Answer Megasthenes. Megasthenes from Greece is the author of Indica who visited Mauryan court. Question number 48. Who wrote the famous book Glimpses of World History? Answer Jawaharlal Nehru. Jawaharlal Nehru wrote the famous book Glimpses of World History. He was the first Prime Minister of India and also the longest served Prime Minister of India. Question number 49. Where Jesus born? Answer at Bethlehem. Jesus born at Bethlehem. The follower of Jesus is called as Christians. Question number 50, and it is the last question of this video. The largest producer of mica. Answer Andhra Pradesh. Andhra Pradesh is the largest producer of mica in India. These all about general knowledge part 5. Please like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel Young Minds GK. Thank you.